Gujarat, a state in western India, is rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. Here are some fascinating facts about Gujarat. Birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. Gujarat is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation in India. World's tallest statue. The Statue of Unity, located in Gujarat's Narmada district, is the world's tallest statue. It is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, one of India's founding fathers. Diverse culture. Gujarat is known for its diverse cultural heritage. It's home to various communities, including the Gujaratis, Kutchis, Patels, and more, each with their unique traditions and cuisines. Vibrant textile industry. The state is famous for its textile industry, particularly in cities like Ahmedabad and Surat. The intricate handwoven fabrics and colorful attire, such as Bandhani and Patola sarees, are popular across India. Rich cuisine. Gujarat is known for its vegetarian cuisine. It's the birthplace of popular dishes like dokla, thapla, fafda, and kakra. Gujarati cuisine is characterized by its use of spices, sweetness and savory dishes, and a variety of snacks. Wildlife sanctuaries. Gujarat is home to several wildlife sanctuaries and national parks, including Gir National Park, the only place in the world where you can find Asiatic lions in the wild. Other wildlife sanctuaries like Little Run of Kutch and Blackbuck National Park are known for their biodiversity. Historic sites. The state is dotted with historic sites, such as the Rani Ki Vav stepwell in Patan, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Champaner Pavagadh Archaeological Park, another UNESCO site, features a blend of Hindu and Islamic architecture. The Great Run of Kutch is the world's largest salt desert, and it's a breathtaking sight, especially during the Run Utsav festival, when it comes alive with cultural performances and activities. Innovative solar power projects. Gujarat is a leader in renewable energy in India. The state is home to the Karanka Solar Park, one of the largest solar parks in Asia, and the Dallara Solar Park, which is said to be the largest in the world. Seaside attractions. Gujarat boasts a long coastline along the Arabian Sea. Popular coastal destinations include Dwarka, Somnath, and Diu, known for their temples, beaches, and water sports. Traditional crafts. Gujarat is renowned for its traditional crafts, including the famous Bandhani tie and dye technique, Kutch embroidery, and the intricate beadwork of the Rabari tribe. Industrial hub. It is one of India's major industrial hubs and has a robust economy. Cities like Ahmedabad and Surat are known for their thriving businesses, especially in the diamond and textile industries. Language diversity. Gujarati is the official language, but a variety of languages are spoken in the state, including Hindi, English, Sindhi, Marathi, and more due to its diverse population. Navratri Festival. Gujarat's Navratri Festival is one of the biggest and most vibrant celebrations in the world. It involves 9 nights of dancing, music, and traditional Garba and Ras dances. Maritime history. Gujarat has a rich maritime history, with ancient ports like Lodha being evidence of its seafaring culture dating back thousands of years. These fascinating facts showcase the cultural, historical, and natural richness of Gujarat, making it a diverse and captivating destination in India.